Hey friends, how are you today? It is almost evening. Well, it's evening. Good evening. Oh man, that was just a few minutes, but it's powerful. Oh man, oh, it's warm in here, especially compared to being outside. Let's see, what's the temp outside? 43. That's the high. Okay, I need to remember to hit record when I'm recording stuff, so I don't know what I recorded already. So here's snack. I'm gonna get some cheese for this though. Pantry tour. I got, let's see, what's that? Crackers, cereal, a waffle maker, and a grinder for coffee. Yeah, I can't, like my brain is not working today. It never works. Flour, pancake mix, honey. I got vinegar, mayo, bone broth, more pasta, gluten-free sourdough bread. That's my sweetener, it's not sugar. Nuts, popcorn. I got Lily's dark chocolate. I've got some dates. I've got some artichoke hearts and a bunch of different beans and some different pasta sauces. Oh, sorry, slamming. Here I got some grass-fed beef sticks, granola, pasta, and chips. Oh, and my husband's aunt brought me a bottle of wine. But she also brought me cheese too, so you'll see that in a sec. We'll do the tour of the fridge. Oh, let's do it this way. Oh my gosh, it's gonna close on me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, tour of the fridge. We've got our beverages. Those are some canned beets that I tried to open the can, but I don't know if the can opened all the way or not, so I just stuck it in here until I get a better can opener. Yogurt and butter. I have some steak bites and chicken, some eggs, and then I've got some heavy cream, some almond milk, bone broth back there. There is a cheese plate with some pork meat underneath it. These are beans, and then I have a bowl of lemons and a bowl of avocados. I have maple syrup and homemade salad dressing, olives, sauerkraut, hot sauce, mustard, sour cream, and more flour. Okay, in the freezer, I have, these are pouches of Brussels sprouts. I've got chocolate. And then I've got some lean ground beef. And then these are Factor meals that I brought with me. And then these are packs of bacon that I took out of the big package. And then I have some sheet pan vegetables and some tortillas. That's what I got in the freezer. So, oh, I didn't show you the drawers. Because, so I got lettuce in this drawer. It's a big lettuce. I've got cucumber, purple cabbage, shredded carrots. And then I've got a bunch of cheese, which I'm going to eat right now. I'm going to eat this one, I think, the white cheese. And then I've got some grass-fed I've got some beef hot dogs and some ham. Getting a little hungry, but not really in the mood to cook yet, which I was gonna make myself tacos for dinner tonight, and honestly, I have been so tired today, so I don't know if I'm gonna get that far as making tacos. Let's see, got cheese right there. Oh, got another 2 servings of that cheese. I'm just cutting. water by my seat, and let's sit down. We're gonna have a snack. So today's been pretty typical. I have now fully been on my own for an entire week, which is insane. I've been on my own for a whole week. This is unreal. I mean, it's so beautiful here, so relaxing. It's been sunny for the last week. Today's actually like the first day that the fog didn't lift. The clouds didn't blow away, so kind of weird, but you know, whatever. So what happens when you live in the mountains, right? You live in the sky, you're gonna get the cloud cover. So the week has been pretty nice and relaxing overall. It has heightened some safety fears that I have. So that's new for me. I'm in a perfectly safe place and mentally I know that, but sometimes my body doesn't feel it. So I have to make my body feel it. And that's been kind of weird. But I got up, you know, normal day today, got up, made my coffee, you know, enjoyed that for a while. Yeah, then what did we do after that? Yeah, then honestly, I was just on the phone with my kids like for a couple hours, and I just watched TV for a little while by myself because like I said, I'm so exhausted. That's why I needed to get out of the house for that walk, because I've been trying to do little short walks every day. Not long, because I really can't walk very long still, but I'm trying to get outside and get some fresh air every day. So sometimes I just sit outside and have a little bit of tea or coffee, and then sometimes I can get out and go for a walk. So most of the time I'm trying to get out for a walk. So if I could do both, like sit outside for a little while and drink some tea, and then also go for a walk that's getting out twice a day, that'd be amazing. But for now, we're just gonna go for one. One time a day. But I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat my snack. It's 5 o'clock now, so it's like dinner time. I probably should cook those tacos. And it really won't take long because it's really just cooking the tortillas and heating up the meat. Whatever. So I have a lot of food for just one person. I'm really not used to buying for one person, so this is definitely a huge learning curve for me. Because it's been a whole week and I feel like I have the same amount of food that I started with a week ago. I do. I have exactly the same amount of food as I started with a week ago. A lot of food. That's what I have. I have a lot of food. So, but yeah, so I actually ate all my apples, which is nice because I actually bought the apples at Costco. So, you know, it was a huge bag of apples. And so thankfully when I bought them, it was like right when my mom was here. So she actually probably ate like 5 or 6 of them out of the bag and then left me with like, I think 6. So, so it was good that I had her here to eat them because yeah, but I've been eating an apple every day just because I have them to snack on. And, yeah, I'm just trying to eat healthier while I'm here by myself. So I made sure to like not buy anything that I would feel like food guilt over eating. So like I had chicken and pasta the other night, but it's gluten-free chickpea pasta. So I don't really feel guilty about it because it was full of protein, full of fiber, and I ate it with chicken. So, you know, and also Brussels sprouts. I had it with vegetables. So last night I didn't eat dinner at all. What did I eat yesterday? Oh, I didn't even film any of this and I should have. So I went with my husband's aunt to Mexican for lunch yesterday and I got chili colorado and rice and beans. And then I wasn't really super hungry like later on. So I just had a snack of like an apple and some popcorn. And that's what I ate for dinner basically, because I think I ate it like around the same time I'm eating it now. And then I wasn't hungry after that. So having apple with some nuts and cheese, I might not be hungry later. So this might be it. We'll see. We need to make some dinner. I wasn't really going to at first, but I'm gonna measure my pasta so that way I'm gonna make chicken and pasta again. I'm gonna measure it. All right, got the pasta. I made this chicken and pasta with like cheese and Brussels sprouts the other night and like a piece of like sourdough toast. Oh. I think tomorrow I'm gonna put these chickens in the freezer. I don't really have to yet. Today is I think the 15th and this is freeze by the 18th. So do a little bit of shredded cheese. These chicken bites are so good from Costco. If you've never had the chicken bites, they're delicious. So good. And the steak ones too. Grate a little bit of this cheese to go on my noodles. That's probably good. All right, got my Brussels sprouts. Oh my gosh, I can't. Why am I using that? Oh my gosh. These scissors suck too. Okay. I can't use anything to open this. Oh my gosh. Okay, everything needs to be sharpened. I guess I need to go get a sharpener. All right, we're just waiting for the noodles to be done and then, oh, I guess I could put my toast in the oven. Oh, a toast. Did I do toast last time? I don't remember. Yeah, I don't need toast. Okay, that's that. We're just gonna have noodles and Brussels sprouts. That's what we're having. And this bowl is like the perfect size for all of that. There's just one of these bowls and it's perfect for like everything for dinner, for like a salad or like a bowl of something. So yeah, I'll use that. Turn that off. Give it a stir. Oof. Perfect. Salt, butter, and mix that in. And throw the chicken on, which is cold now, even though I heated it up. It's not fridge cold anymore though. And then more cheese. More cheese on the top. Actually, I'll just put it all on there. And get some of these Brussels sprouts in there. at least about half the bag. Oh, or not. Okay. Oops. All right, let's eat. Okay, gotta switch out my laundry. I am not a fan of these front loaders like this. They'd probably be a little better if they were side by side, but because they open opposite, it's kind of weird. That's fine, as long as that stays open. Get these clothes in there. Okay. Get the stuff and things out of the cabinet. Got soap first. And then a dryer sheet for up top. Cycle on, normal, warm, high, off. Sure. Okay. And make sure I did not clean the lint trap last time, so my bad. I washed towels and dried towels that were here because okay, now we can dry the clothes. Power, normal. Okay, we got it. It's super late, so I'm gonna do like bare minimum cleaning, I think. I don't know what that means. Oh, dang it. Look. I dropped my pitcher in the butter. Hang on. Okay. Got it. Wasn't as bad as I thought. I don't know. What am I doing? I'm so tired I can't think. Oh, okay, just in time because my camera's about to die. Good morning, friends. All right. I was gonna say good morning while I was making my breakfast, but then my parents called and had some yogurt and granola with a little honey. That's what was for breakfast, which I was getting a little nervous because I bought that stuff a week ago and I wasn't sure I was gonna eat it. I was like, why did I buy yogurt and granola? Like, I don't know. I'm not like a huge yogurt person. Usually I like to eat eggs for breakfast in the morning, but I didn't want a heavy breakfast, and I'm going to lunch with my friend today, which is actually in just a couple hours, but I wanted to like make sure that I wasn't gonna be starving at lunch. Like, because you know, there's like that fine line where you're like, you can wait till a certain time to eat, but if anything gets delayed and then you're like hangry and you're like, ah. So I didn't want to get to the hangry point while I was out with my friend. Anyway, so it's time to get ready to go because she's gonna pick me up in an hour and a half. And I'm so slow at doing stuff, it'll probably take me that long to get ready. And I don't even wear like makeup really. Like I'm gonna put mascara on and that's it. And like do something with my hair so it's not just like this. But I really need to get my hair dyed. See, look at all that gray. I don't like that. And I got a bunch on this side too. And it's starting to spread, which is not good. I need to plug in my toothbrush, but we're gonna just do, you know. Washing your face in the sink makes a huge mess. Or at least I make a huge mess anyways. All right, now we can like work on getting the face moisturized. Let's see, I don't know. I need like, the longer I'm living out of bags and boxes and things, the more frustrated I am, and I just want my own place to live. Yes, this is like my own apartment, so I can spread out a little bit more, but this bathroom is so tiny with no storage space. I'm used to my bathroom at my house, and my bathroom has all the storage space that I need for all of my stuff because I made it that way. And my bathroom is probably not a lot bigger, but it is a little bit bigger than this. So it's just frustrating. I have, I guess, a lot of bathroom products. And yeah, so I have like all the stuff that's in here stacked. Then I have a big pink tote of stuff that has all like mostly makeup stuff, but then also some like makeup cleaners and makeup remover and things like that. Some other moisturizers and face stuff. And then I have just my travel case is like full of like toiletries, and I'm like, where is stuff? I can't find it. Like, so I'm like digging all over. And I'm all out of face cream, so I have to use my night cream because I don't have any more day cream, and I'm almost out of night cream. So we need a trip to Ulta. Get my curling iron turned on because we're going to try to do curls today. Not a lot, but at least a little bit. We can try to start putting this stuff on right here. This might not even be the best brand. I might have to, maybe when I go to Ulta, I'll see if I can find a better brand of this stuff because this stuff is just not. It's kind of good, but yeah, it's okay. I think there's probably stuff that will cover better. I just need to get my hair done, and I need to find a hairstylist, and I haven't done that yet. So that's why. Not bad. I feel like there's a couple of spots it could do better, but a couple of spots is better than the whole thing, right? Okay. Yeah, actually it does, like, with my eyes not being able to see good, it actually looks like it's good to me. I am not good at styling my hair, so yeah. I guess we're just gonna have to work on that. Oh. My hair is wrapped around my earring. Oh my gosh. I hate when that happens. Okay, we're just gonna gently spray the hair now. I have so much gray on the top. It's crazy. What do you think? Ta-da! Yay, I did my hair. Lucky me. I'm all grown up. Okay, I don't think I need the curling iron anymore. Always unplug it. Ooh. Always unplug after turning it off to make sure it's off. We'll put our mascara on. All right, next. Oh no. Just got a text from my tax guy. Guess what, friends? In case you forgot, tax season is coming upon us. Yay me. Okay, we were gonna do mascara, right? So I'm sitting. I'm gonna sit when I do this. I'm already tired of standing from doing my hair. This is probably why I never do my hair, is because then I have to stand there and do it. I need like a proper, I need a proper vanity station so that I can sit and like do all the things. And then I'll probably want to do them more often. What am I looking? Oh, I need my mirror is what I need because I cannot see. I'm blind. Oh, and it already turned itself on. So I need to, let's see if I could do the, oh, and also always, I have the straightest eyelashes, the straightest ever. Like they're so straight, they point downwards. So I usually get them lifted, but I'm at the end of my lifting cycle. So they're kind of starting to, yeah, all the new growth is like, so I gotta curl them a little bit. And yeah, not the most funnest thing to do. I am in need of an eyelash lift. Who knows, maybe I'll try extensions too. What do you think? Should I try extensions? Just one more thing to maintain. Ugh. But and this is a heated eyelash curler, so because yeah, the non-heated ones just don't work on my eyelashes. They will stay super straight. Okay, we're gonna hope that's good enough to get some mascara on. Let's look at the big side, see what it says. Oh, it says my eyelashes are really jacked up. Oops. Well, it is what it is, right, people? And when I say jacked up, it's because they're like curly and pointing all the different directions and curled in all these different directions. And that was because my last lash lift didn't really come out very well. I think she fried my eyelashes and I think she used too small of a rod, so it just didn't come out very well the last one. They are a little on the funky side. I think I need to let another week or so go by before they can, I don't know, I think they're all different lengths. They're curled in all different directions. I don't know what's happening with my eyelashes right now. So that's as good as the mascara is gonna get. Ugh. So here's another thing I did. I decided to wake up my sourdough. That's right, before I left Alaska, I dehydrated my sourdough starter And yep, brought it with me. So now we can make, this will turn into Oregon sourdough, but yeah. I'm excited. So rehydrating that, getting that started. So hopefully by next week sometime I can start, you know, making some bread or tortillas. Really, honestly, I'm making it because I want to make tortillas. I was thinking bread, but I'm more like, I don't know, I want to just try making tortillas with it. So we're going to try making some sourdough tortillas, but probably next week sometime. We'll see how that goes. But anyways, I want to get it going just so that when I do want to make a bread, it's ready and I can just use it. So this is getting going. Okay, now it's time to get dressed, and I will clean up that mess in the bathroom later. I'm gonna at least make my bed though. Good enough. And I did laundry last night and I just left it there, and I'm still doing laundry, and I'm gonna put it right there, and that's where it's gonna stay until I feel like putting it away. Okay, let's pick something out to wear. Where would you like to sit? Let's see if I can squeeze you in here. All right, squeeze you right there. Let's see, we'll definitely wear jeans. I think. Let's try this shirt on and see how we look in it. Okay, let's try this one on. Let's do it. I do have like pink tennis shoes, and then I have black tennis shoes that I haven't laced up yet. But my Skechers are the easiest ones, which means I should probably just go buy more Skechers. Look at me, finding reasons to shop. I forgot. Oh, I got a rock in my shoe. Oh, I got many rocks in my shoe. Oh, okay, these shoes are a collector of rocks. Here we go. Oh, can you see my feet? Ta-da, like this. Ta-da. All right, here's the outfit. What do you guys think? Does this look okay? I got white shoes. They're sparkly. So, I've gained so much weight that my clothes are a little bit more snug than I'd like them to be, but that's okay. We're gonna work with it because I'm a big girl and like, obviously I can't hide it. But I feel pretty good. It's like comfy. Like I feel like I'm wearing sweatpants, but I'm not. I'm wearing jeans. Okay, I'm back from my friends. Let's see, you can't see me good there. Let's just put this. Yeah. All right. And I want to eat dinner now, so we're gonna get some food. I think I'm gonna make tacos. I feel like I should use the chicken just because it needs to get used, but I've been eating chicken a lot, so. Tortillas. Get those out. We're gonna have some carnitas tacos. So I'm gonna get that stuff warmed up. I probably should get all the other stuff out too. So we got some lettuce here. See how good that stuff is. Got avocado. And let's see, sour cream. And some hot sauce. And that should do it. I felt like for the tortillas, I wanted to fry them up. So, should probably get some of these in a pan, right? Let's see, get some oil in a pan, heat it up. Kind of like, these burners on the front are really big. So I feel like I need to use this back burner. Got some avocado oil. I haven't opened yet. It's the first time I'm opening it. Okay. Yay, now we can get it. Oh my gosh, I just want to open this oil. Oh. Put some in the pan. Holy schmollyands, that was hard just to get that open. Let's heat up the pan. Okay. These are pretty high output burners, so I'm gonna go like a medium heat to start with, and hopefully that's not too hot. And now this over the top. Hopefully that stays. 3, 3, 0, start. There we go. Okay, that is done. Whoop. Oh, I'm like not doing good there. Okay. All right. And that's one. We're gonna make a few more. All right, here we are. I got my taco meat. We're gonna open that up and put it in this bowl. Yeah. This smells amazing. If you've never gotten the carnitas from Costco in the refrigerator section, it's so good. Like, just do that. It's so good. Yeah, this actually probably would have been easier to make last night than what I made. Silly me. All right, got a pile of cheese. Let's make some tacos, right? And there is the finished plate. Delicious. Okay, I'm done. I ate all the tacos, all 4 of them. Now it's time to clean up after ourselves. I forgot I got a package. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that's the spot. That's it right there. Yeah. I'm so tired. We're gonna go to bed early tonight. It's a drain cover hair catcher because my hair falls out every time I shower. A stand for my iPad. So that way when I'm FaceTiming, I don't have to like hold the whole thing. I can just like set people on here and just be like, hey, there you go. Now you can see me there too. Oh my gosh. Oh good. I could reach the remote. I thought I couldn't reach the remote for a second. Oh. Good morning, friends, or good afternoon, friends. It is the next day. And I am hungry. It's almost 1 o'clock, so we need to eat. Pork or chicken or steak. Pork, chicken, or steak? We're gonna have like a little taco salad because I fried those 2 extra tortillas last night. But I'm like, maybe I'll save the pork and maybe we'll have chicken. No, let's have steak. Let's have steak today. And since we're having a salad, we'll put beans on it. And I have half avocado left. That's it for avocado. Lettuce. Oh, geez. Almost slid right off. What else do we got? Shredded cheese. Sour cream. Hot sauce. Okay, I think that's good. All the things. All the things. All the things. Now, I'm pooped. And this lettuce is even wiltier than it was last night, so I think today's the last day we're gonna eat it. And then I seriously need to DoorDash some groceries or ask my friend to take me. Oh yeah, this is this is probably the last time I'll eat this. I'll probably toss the rest of it. Oh well. Here's the salad. Fork at. Okay, got my avocado fork. I'm gonna go sit down, eat this, and watch a show while I'm eating this, because yeah. Okay, we're at home and we're getting all comfy cozy. I don't even remember where I left off on this vlog, but I don't even remember where I left off on this vlog. So I spent the whole afternoon, evening with my friend, and I didn't expect to stay over there so long. It was super fun. It was really nice. Her like family was all over the place, and so it was like kind of nice to be in like chaotic noise, and yeah, it was just nice not to be home all day by myself. Probably be home all day by myself tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, that was fun, and it is late. It's like after 9 o'clock now. I didn't want to overstay my welcome, so I don't know if I did. I hope I didn't. But by the time everything was winding down, I was like, I could call myself a car. Anyways, so yeah, I did get home a little late, stayed a little longer than I thought, but it's fine. You know, the only real important thing I had to do today was editing, and I got a whole solid hour done. So at least I did something. Probably would have gotten more done, but I don't know if the way I had filmed this last video that I did, I'm like, oh, I don't know if I should have did it like that, but I don't know. Whatever, I've been rambling a lot. Thank you all so much for being here. I truly appreciate it, and I love you so much. Bye.